I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now we're not gonna delay. Let's go ahead and bring the box in. Boom. 500 box. All right, Yeezy 500. All right, Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. All right, you all know this box. All right, these are the Yeezy 500. Colorway is Enflame. Size 13.5. Got these in the unicorn size. All right, now let's go ahead and get right into this shoe, man. Very unique shoe right here. Very unique. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Ralph TV. Whew, man, this one's wild. This one's wild. Left shoe first, baby. Whoo! Yes, yes. Yeezy 500. Now, I owned a Yeezy 500 before. It was the all black pair of Yeezy 500. All right. The problem I had with that shoe before is that it was a size 13, and it was too small for my foot. It just was not happening. Sometimes I can go down to a size 13 and it'll fit perfectly. I do have a pair of Yeezy 350 Boosts right here, and that one is a size 13. It fits fine, but going down to a 13 and this shoe was not happening. So here we are with the unicorn size, my true size, a 13.5. All right, now I know what you guys are thinking. I know what some of you who are watching this video right now are thinking. I know what some of you are saying. Ralph, that shoe in your hand right now is ugly as hell, Ralph. I know that's what you guys said. I know some of you said that. Some of you, on the other hand, are saying, Ralph, that shoe is dope, man. Damn, you got those? Dope, this is crazy. I am of the belief that this isn't the most attractive shoe. All right? It's looking around my room right now of shoes that I have bought from retailers, shoes that I didn't make myself, because I did make a pretty ugly Ninja Turtle shoe a few years ago. But of shoes that I have myself purchased, this might be the ugliest pair of shoes that I bought. All right, I'm not gonna lie about it. It's kind of ugly, you know? However, with that being said, I kind of think it's fly. I kind of think it's funky, man. I kind of dig it. You know what I mean? It's something about the orange and the blues that I am digging. I don't know what it is about that colorway lately. Orange and blue has never really been my thing, but man, I really like orange and blue together. It just really, it works for me. So here you are. You got your good grade of suede up front in the tan area, and there on the back in that tan. And then this area, which is that bluish kind of color along the eyelets there, that's a good grade of suede there. This kind of mesh material, I don't know if that's more of a dark burnt orange or if it's a brown. It kind of looks like a burnt orange on the screen now. But blue, where the leather is, all that here, all all that is that blue leather. This is like a, is that a suede? This blue is more like a nubuck here. This is more like a nubuck blue going around. And then you got that tan going along there. Orange on the bottom. I really think that orange hit is very nice. Very nice. And then on the inside, you have your Yeezy Ortholite. These do not have boost. So no boost on these. So these are not Yeezy boost. You know, normally you'll see that on the side of the box. There'll be that boost. But these do not have boost in them. But from what I remember from my previous pair, from the black pair, they were still good and comfortable. I feel like that Ortholite on the inside kind of made up for the lack of boost. Plus, as you can see, that adiprene there, this adiprene, feels a little squishy. Feels kind of squishy. So, shouldn't be much of an issue, man. Shouldn't be much of an issue. Blue laces, of course, there wasn't another set of laces in there, not that I could see. So, Adidas on the front there. But, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet. Here we are on feet. Alright. Boom. Yeezy 500. Enflame, baby. Yes, sir. Very smooth, man. Very smooth. Now, my number one concern previously was that I had the size 13 and they fit really snug to the point that I had to get rid of them. Had to sell them. But these are that unicorn size. These are my true size. This is a 13 and a half. My toe is right there. That is the tip of my big toe. That is the perfect fit for me. Man, even on the right. Big toe right there. Perfect fit. Comfortable. Comfortable. Perfect width. Perfect length. The shoe fits like a glove. Fits perfect. Absolutely perfect for me. No complaints as it relates to the fit of these. Alright? Now, look at the front. Look at that. Look at that blue hit. That blue. Look at that blue and that orange contrast. I like that, man. I don't know. I know this isn't the most attractive shoe, but man, it's doing it for me. It is doing it for your boy. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And then let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Yo, very nice. Very nice. Very nice shoe, man. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it. I was going to stay far away from the Yeezy 500s, and I'm glad. I'm so glad that I didn't get a size 14 instead. Because then I would have been like, well, no, these are too big. 13's too small, 14's too big. 13 and a half. Just right. Just right. So I'm glad with these. These are comfortable, man. These are definitely comfortable. They are wild looking. I know, it's a bunch going on. There's a lot of colors going on here. But something about the orange and the blue hits. It's working for me. It's just working for me. It's good. I get it. These are... The black pair probably would have been the best pair to have if I had it in my correct size. That would probably have been the best one to get. But I had to get rid of it. It was a 13. It hurt, man. That shoe was hurting my foot. I couldn't do it. So, but these, man, perfect. Absolutely perfect size-wise. Comfort, I didn't even notice that it didn't have the boost in it. That wasn't something that I was thinking about as these were on my feet. So, very good, man. Very good. No complaints from me. But that's gonna do it, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.